One here, right there. Oh yeah, right there. So right now I'm planning to go there, and I'm sure the views will be better. It's so hot right now. I just took a break and I'm sitting on these stairs out of nowhere, and there is just no one around, and all I can hear is the sound of waves and insects. It's so peaceful to be here. I wish I could take a nap here because I'm so sleepy, but I have to go. I have to climb these stairs and then get to the viewpoint and then capture that beautiful view for you guys. So I finally made it to the top, and the view here looks so beautiful. And now it's time to take some pictures. So time to head back. And I'm gonna take this way and just hike back down. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, then please consider liking and subscribing, as I want to travel every country in the world and bring you the best street food, travel and nature. So bye bye and see you later.